Hello, hi friends, welcome to sushmafeedfantasy. I'm preparing today lunch meal. So let's start now. I'm preparing today banana fry, chips, crackers and rice and dal. So let's start. This is the vlog. So let's do cooking vlog today. So I'm using this is tur dal. Add water and add some green chilies and add fresh tomatoes. I'm adding 2 tomatoes in dal. I'm not using any pressure cooker. I'm just using only bowl. Add oil. So now I'm preparing rice. Now I'm gonna cut mangoes for dal. This is really yummy. I'm gonna add into the dal. Almost cook the dal. So I add curry leaves. I forgot it. So now I'm gonna prepare brinjal curry, eggplant. So I'm gonna cut the brinjal. So brinjal is I cut it in 4 pieces. So let's cut the tomatoes and onions, then we'll see. So now add water in the brinjal, add little salt, mix it and keep it aside. Then we cut the onions. Add raya, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Now add onions. Add some salt and add some turmeric and give a quick mix. Now we can add dal is nicely cooked. Now you can turn it off the flame. Now we'll add tomatoes. Mix it nicely. Keep it in low flame. Add fresh curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Quick mix. Close the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add brinjal, add eggplant, mix it nicely. Half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. The lid for 15 minutes. Remove the excess water. Mash the dal nicely. Now we're gonna give seasoning for the dal. So before give seasoning, we're gonna add some salt. Add 1 tablespoon red chilli powder. Mix it nicely. Seasoning for dal. Add oil. Add this water into the dal. Give a quick mix. Oil is heat. Add jeera, raya and red chilli. After sizzling, I don't have garlic now in lockdown. Add curry leaves. Add dal. Water and mix it and close the lid. I transfer into the other bowl because I took induction bowl. Brinjal is nicely cooked. Check the taste. If you want more salt, add it. Let's add a little bit coriander. Let's wash it. Dal is finished. Add coriander. That's all. Turn off the flame. Now we'll cook raw banana. If you take oil drop, it will not gonna sticky. Into small pieces, add salt, add water and wash nicely. Let's do banana fry. Add oil. After heat the oil, add banana. Keep in low flame. Add salt and turmeric. Nicely cooked. Add red chilli powder. Mix it slowly. Banana fry is ready. Let's do some crackers. My lunch menu is ready. This is dal, brinjal curry, and this is banana fry, and this is papad or crackers. Let's do plating now. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and please keep supporting me. I see you in next video. Until then, enjoy my video. Bye.